Short ball, can't bowl that with this field. I said there was no man on the slog. He didn't need to slog that, he just need to pick it up on length. There's the shot that David Lloyd spoke about. He knows his cricket, David Lloyd. Loves the shot over extra cover, and he delivers.
Nice. You've got 4 associates with 2 groups. Here's a nice little heave. That'll go all the way. Oh, beautiful.
Goes again. Same shot, same result.
Delivery.
It's a good shot. He's a clean striker of the ball. Yeah, the ball will win. O'Brien's playing beautifully here.
There's that little move again, and it works. Yardy goes leg side. O'Brien stays still in the end. Thumps him away. It's a bad over for England, who look. And again. As bad an over as Michael Yardy will have bowled, I'll wager. It's 183 for 5. That'll go, I think, all the way for 6. Yeah, up go the fingers of Billy Bowden. 50. The fastest 50 by an Irishman in one-day international cricket. How difficult it is to turn the tap on and off. And that's the stroke of the day. Look no further. 6 over square cover from a rampant Kevin O'Brien. It's 205 for 5. That's another one. And he poses after it, holding his position, as if to say to James Anderson, I'm the boss out here, buddy. Saving a single on the offside. Oh, and a mix-up. A massive one. A maximum. 17 from the Anderson over. Go Ireland, go. And gets murdered through mid-off. Literally.
Magnificent strike again. One bounce over the rope. There was a man in the deep, but he's got it away from him. This is massive. This is one of the biggest sixes you'll see. It's gone many a mile into the crowd. Hit straight back. Long on is just a spectator. It's a magnificent strike once again. Takes him to 97. Chipped away on the onside. The call is due. He should get there. This is the fastest 100 in World Cup history. 6th fastest overall. Take a bow, Kevin O'Brien. 150 balls.
What an amazing innings. Unbelievable. It was Matty Hayden, fastest World Cup 100. It's now Kevin O'Brien.